are gathering at its celebrated Jignasa Student Study Project work. The title was Pancharamas and their spiritual values. Nika Sultani. Asar. Vengisana. San. Adya. Introduction. Pancharamas. Kshetras. Pancharama are a group of 5 ancient Hindu temples dedicated to the Lord Shiva, located in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. These temples are situated at Kumararama, Samarakota, Dakshamarama, Konasima, Amarama, Amaravati, Kesarama, Palakolu, Samarama, Bhimavaram. According to the legend, the lingas in these temples are believed to have been created from a single infinite Shiva lingam, Kumararama and Samarakota. The Bhimeshwara temple at Samarakota is attributed to the Chalukya Bhima in 888 to 918 CE. The ancient Chalukya king, the temple is located near Chalukya Bhimavaram, close to the Samarakota. An inscription found at Pitapuram predicts Chalukya's Bhima with its constructions, describing him as the son of Vikramaditya, who ruled for 30 years and he said have won 360 battles. Somarama and Bhimavaram. The Somaramam temple is Bhimavaram is associated with the legend Tarakosara, where is a piece of Shivalinga which fell from his neck, was installed by Chandra. The earliest inscription found in the temple dates to the origin of Christian Chalukya king Satyavarma 101 and 111 CE, placing in the temple's constructions in the 10th century. Nika Sultana will continue.
Daksharama Konasima. The Bhimeshwara temple at Daksharama is traditionally attributed to Chalukya Bhimavaram. To these lack epigraphical support. An inscription from the region of Amma 2, 945-970 CE mentions an official named Upanadya who considered a Shiva's shrine at Daksharama named Upeshwara. Though no temple by that name exists now. The earliest inscription at the Bhimeshwara temple, dated 181 CE, indicates its existence before this time. Amravati, the Amareshwara temple at Amravati can be dated based on epigraphical and historical evidence of the 35 inscriptions on its walls. The earliest is from 1129 CE, while its Dravidian architectural style resembles the 10th century Bhimeshwara temples at Samalkot at Daksharama. The absence of earlier inscriptions suggests the temple was built later. Scholars estimate that the temple likely originated in the 11th century. Srirama Palakolu. The Srirama Lingeshwara temple at the Palakolu is traditionally associated with Nagina Mrugaraja, who, according to the Edurapalli copper-plate brand, built the Shiva temple after fighting 100 battles. The temple part of the Pancharama shrines is a single stone structure with a small linga under the usual two-stone shrine. Architecture. The Pancharama temples primarily feature Dravidian architecture, with significant portions attributed to the Eastern Chalukya king Chalukya Bhimavaram in the 9th and 10th centuries. Key architecture elements include towering gopuram, multi-story vimanas, and existence of local materials and structural panels.
Objectives of visiting the Daksharama temple: Amarama, Daksharama, Kumararama, Shirarama, Somarama is gain spiritual blessing and enlightenment by worshipping Lord Shiva at these five sacred streets in Andhra Pradesh, originating from a legend where a Shivalingam was broken into five pieces after Tarakasura death with rewards undertaking pilgrimages for spiritual growth and tranquil life. Now,
Outcomes of Pancharama. Moksha clarification. Visiting all 5 Pancharama Kshetras is believed to lead to spiritual liberation, moksha. Divine manufacture. The 5 stones are laid the Shivalinga from Tarakasura. The throat fell, preventing revenue and establishing these powerful shrines. Findings. Cultural, historical and spiritual perspective. by observation and experience. Government revenue generation. Now my co-founder Nadia will continue.
Reviews of literature, legendary origin. The five temples are linked to the legend of gods participating in the demon king Tarakasura. Those ten claiming Shivalinga, which latter broke into five pieces. Historical context. Primarily constructed during the region of Chalukya Bhimavan, these temples are the cornerstone of medieval Andhra history. Scholarly debates. While some suggested Cherubodu as one of the site's most scholarly work focuses on the five listed above, supported by historical evidence in Pancharama to medieval Andhra Desha. Conclusion. The Pancharama Kshetra tells us that Shivalinga can be sanctified when imbued with faith and purpose. Each temple is a beacon of resilience and spiritual transformation, turning destruction into a pathway to divinity. For the devotee, the seeker, or even the curious traveler, the Pancharama offers a mystical journey across Andhra Pradesh, bound by legend, devotion, and cosmic unity.